let me back up. If you're new to our channel, I'm Amelia. And I'm Dad. So you can tell we're outside, and we haven't been to our grandparents' house recently. Sit down. Recently, so we're at their house. We will be kind of like staying for like one day. They said we would be staying here, so we're gonna be like staying here, and we're gonna do like a vlog. So, and we're staying here with our grandparents. Yeah. So if anything goes wrong, just tell us and we'll fix it. Well, you guys are at home, so it's okay. And wait. Pause. Rewind. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. I'll also hit that notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. So and like this video. So and you try the best you can if you could share this video to a friend. So yeah, we're gonna be like photo sync. We need something to. I think that's good. No, they're chopping off our heads. Oh, okay. Hey! Sorry. Hey! Oh no, shoot. Sorry guys. One time we tried to make it so creative that we did we put a rope and then a chair and then we pretend there was a snake up there. Okay, so I don't think we told you guys what we were doing. So we're gonna be climbing our tree. So we made some videos, but we declined them, we deleted them, and so they would get expired anyways for my video. So I just deleted them. So this is what this tree looks like. Oh, and this is the real tree. This is like a rope, and this is the practice. This is like a rope. Let me show you the rope. But we like to climb on it with the rope and stuff. This is the practice tree. This is gonna be the practice tree because it's kind of small. Did I show you? This is small. So you can see the tree. It's kind of small. If you could see it, it's kind of small. So we could And guys, don't mind me doing this. I'm just doing Okay. Change of plans. I know we already got into the video, but change of plans. If she can find it, then we will be showing you how a hammock works. Okay? If you know a hammock, that's what we call it. So, okay, I said change of plans, and so if they can find the hammock, then we don't have to climb the trees. So, because hammocks are really fun, by the way. You know, we used to bring that chair out to sit down. So we put a chair on the ground or something. Yeah, and then we just go on it and then climb the tree. Hammock! Okay. That's the hammock, and I'm swinging first. Okay, guys, change your plans. We're gonna be swinging in the hammock and showing you the basics of how it works. And so we're vlogging right now. I'm going first. We're vlogging right now. Say hi to the viewers, Mommy. Mama.
What's up? Amelia, do you want me to put this or not?
Oh, Mommy, what about this? Here, I'll show. Okay, ready? This is our Mommy. Hi. Am I showing it? Okay. She's in our channel. Ew! Amelia!
What? Oh! Okay, don't touch those. Put it back up, Dad.
I can't. There's a bunch of little toys.
Oh my gosh, how in the world did you fool?
Be strong. Okay. So let me show you how it's going so far. So look on this side. I see a roly-poly. On this side. Amelia. And now we know where we go. Over here. Yeah, we collect roly-polies. Yeah, we'll do it in a different video probably. Yeah, but we have to watch out for those. Yeah, those creepy things. What? So this is a hammock. Okay, y'all. This is a hammock. So
Wait. Let me lower it this side real quick. Get off.
If you is, but you call it something else. If you can, try to comment down below. So,
All right, get in.
look. So it's like a swing, but like big.
Let me do one more. Let me do one more.
And you
Get
like
up.
just relax.
Get up.
Oh yeah.
Get up.
No, Joel. Wait.
Get up.
Here. Okay. That was a mishap, but we're just gonna be swinging the basics. So this is there's like clippers and stuff you clip it onto. And so you like swing. Dax, I'm gonna push you. Guys, if you can see, we're gonna, oh wait, that's too far away. Camera will be like this. We used to make us a hive like this. Okay. We used to make a hive like this. Yeah, like that. Stay here. Okay, so like it's like a swing and stuff, and then like you push people. If you can push people from behind like this. Yeah, but make sure you're like secured so you're not like you won't fall off. One time we fell off. It was kind of funny, but like I'm gonna tell you a story. It's kind of funny when we see people. Wait, I'm gonna do something. Your head. Put your head right there. Do that. So you're like swinging. No, don't bang back. Like do this. Like you're swinging on an actual swing. Hold up. No, we're staying here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're staying here. But like, that's how I said. What I said was like, don't like put your head back. Then you will probably like flip over and fall. But I didn't get to go on the hammock. Okay. So we're gonna end this video a little quickly. Oh no, we're gonna end the kind of. Well, we'll show you more stuff, but like make sure if you see on the swing. So like, wait. I'll tell them let us have 15 more minutes. Okay. Turns out we're not staying up here. So yeah, it's kind of fun when you're swinging because you're actually kind of swinging on a big swing. Except you can like extend it to be like bigger and put your head back. But like you can't put your head back when you're swinging because it's like dangerous because you might like fall and flip back. We've been doing this for like 8 years. I didn't know they would bring this out. So like we did tree climbing. We were gonna do tree climbing until the hammock got brought out. So I forgot. Make sure you try to comment down below and see what do you call this at like wherever you are. The best name gets we call it hammock, but like we don't get it. 15 more minutes. Okay, that's what you're gonna try. And then we're gonna keep on telling you the basics. It's kind of, and you guys should buy it. It's really good. Like, especially if you have 2 trees like together, there's 2 trees. So this is one tree, this is the other tree, and then the hammock is like there. You've seen it, but some hammocks you can have indoor. You know, in this hammock, compared to our other, yeah. There's like indoor ones too. Like there's like stands, and then you can like go in them indoors. But the outdoor one, you can just listen to beautiful like sunset. And you can have breeze. You have breeze. Yeah. But then in indoors, I would say I've been in an indoor one because my other grandpa and grandpa has it. So you said grandpa and grandpa. Grandma and grandpa. So yeah. The basics are pretty simple. Just buy it and then then you hook it up to 2 trees. There's like straps and then there's a hook that you hook it up to. And so also comment. Pro tips. Also comment what you would do. Yeah, you could probably tell us what you could do, but or if you can comment, because maybe they didn't turn it on, but like, so yeah. And pro tip: do not put your head while you're swinging. Look, Jax, do it. Look, put it back. Then you might fall back. But if you have this all, look how much space that is. It's probably fine. And then if you want to sleep, then you just go like this. Turn your body like and that. Then it will swing. It will swing. But like, look, if you want quiet time, you can just like wrap it. But if they can't see it, then you can just do that. And then we'll just push you. And so yeah. And then I'll tell you it when I'm swinging, okay? So, please, I hope you guys will subscribe because we will be giving more. I didn't get it go. I didn't get to do it. So, it's okay. Okay, we're doing a video right now. Right there. The chair has it. We could probably end it though. Sorry. We're telling them about the hammock. Sorry guys. We're gonna have to leave, but like we're gonna wrap up this video right now. And plus it will get okay. It will get too long. Okay, peace. So hope you guys had a lovely video, like us doing this. So peace out, and I hope you have a happy new year. Please, make sure you tell us